Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries, first of all, I am going to check your energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright? So we have got the Hanged Man. Aries, this is your current energy. Okay? With this card, I feel that some of you have put something on hold. Okay, you are not sure about that particular thing or that particular decision of your life, and that's why you have kept this thing on hold, that perhaps that this is not my time to take action towards this, or something is there which is stopping you to take any actions. Okay, with regards to anything, it could be related to your career, it could be related to your finances, it could be related to your person, it could be related to your relationship, it could be related to anything. So something is there in your mind for which you are not able to comprehend what and how you should move ahead in life. Okay, so you have kept this thing on hold. So this is your current energy, Aries. Okay, on the other hand, we have Two of Cups. This is your partner's current energy. So with this card, Two of Cups, it seems like your person is trying to connect with you. Okay, perhaps this person is taking some action towards you, or some reunion or some union is happening at their end. Okay, perhaps they are planning to move towards you, perhaps they are planning to talk to you, perhaps they are planning to propose to you. Okay, or it could also happen that in some of with some of you, it could happen that your person is going to meet somebody else new. Okay, perhaps they are looking for some solid relationship or something like that. Or it could also happen that the other person is chasing your person. All right, there could be a third person in this situation. It seems like this is the scenario, that's why you have kept this thing and this person on hold. All right, okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy. Okay, I'm not going to take all these cards because a lot of cards has fallen down. I'm gonna pick only one card to check what is the I'm really sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to pick only one card to check what is the mutual energy. Okay, Courage. Some of you, it could be you, it could be them, somebody is showing a lot of courage. I think it's you who is showing a lot of courage not to talk to this person or not to take any action towards this person. And on the other hand, I can see or I can sense this thing that your person must be taking a lot of courage to talk to you. Okay, I told you that perhaps this person wants to propose you, perhaps this person wants to give you something or offer you something. Perhaps they are gathering all their courage to just to talk to you. Hey, what's happening with me, or now I have been through this thing or that thing, and so many other things they want to tell you. But since you are someone who has who has kept this thing on hold, so perhaps they are gathering all his courage or all their courage to talk to you. All right, now I'm going to pick three cards to see what they think about you, what is their current action towards you. And okay. Two more cards and okay. So the first card is the Dream card. Your person knows that you are dreaming about them. Okay, or it could be a vice versa situation as also, that your person must be dreaming about you, that since you are being somebody who has kept this relationship on hold, so they must be dreaming about you, they must be missing you at this point of time, that why my Aries is not talking to me. Okay, It seems like they want to be with you right now. Okay, they are uh, re they're just going through their memories over and over again, whatever they have cherished with you, whatever they have spent with you. Okay, so I feel that this person is, you know, dreaming about you, or perhaps they are in this impression that you must be feeling about them, or you must be dreaming about them, or they have this perception in their mind that you are thinking about them. Okay, awareness, this is the current, this is their current action towards you. Awareness. Okay, Aries, I feel that with this card your person has been through something. Okay, they were, you know, stuck up with lot of negativities, okay, negative emotions and lot of issues in past, or perhaps they are going through this phase right now. But the thing is that they are getting clarity in their life. Okay, on a daily basis they are experiencing new things. Okay, they are experiencing new views, so a lot of things are helping him or helping them to move out from this negative aura, negative energy. Okay, so as as soon as they'll be out from this energy, okay, as soon as their negative aura will be end, they are definitely going to they'll be aware about you. They'll be know that Aries is my person. Aries is the one with whom I can spend, with whom I can, you know, see myself in future as well. All right, and the future action from their side towards you is the creativity. And yeah, it seems like divine is also helping them to reconnect with you. Okay, because there is a light coming from above. Okay, there is a moon, and there is this lotus also. That means their intention, their emotion towards you are completely pure. Okay, they are not somebody who wants to hurt you. Okay, they don't want to create any kind of anything which makes you uncomfortable. Okay, so they'll be taking their own time to come forward and talk to you. They'll be using their imagination that how can I impress my Aries. Okay, so I feel that this person is taking a lot of courage. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do right now. What is angels guidance for you? What angels are telling you to do right now? Okay, within the next few weeks, it could happen that your person must be reaching towards you within the next few weeks. Okay, perhaps they have got, I told you that they are gathering a lot of courage to talk to you. Perhaps in the coming weeks they'll be able to think rationally that now this could be and this should be my approach towards my Aries, and that's how I should or I can offer my love and propose to my Aries. Okay, all right, so Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Hangman card. We have water sign in this reading: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Two of Cups and this courage, this Dream card. Okay, and you have three major arcanas as well. Okay, so Aries, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.